Good afternoon, friends. I'm Dr. Aajay Shah, and today I'm bringing you a kind of a glimpse into the talk I'm preparing in about 2 weeks. The talk I'm preparing is on fiber and microbiome. That talk in 2 weeks will be about 2 hours long talk, very comprehensive talk on fiber and microbiome. But I'm giving you some sample of what the talk will be. So again, the fiber is the most important but most ignored nutrient. Again, fiber is the most important but most ignored nutrient. Uh, uh, my feeling is, and this is my own statement, not much scientific proof to yet, but more studies needs to be done. But this is my own statement that if Americans eat 70 grams of fiber every day, we will eliminate obesity, heart disease, diabetes, high blood pressure, most cancers, and we all will live up to age 100. Again, if Americans eat 70 grams of fiber every day, we will pretty much eliminate all kind of disease and we will live very long. And there's a proof to it. We just need to study it in the population. We are also, one of my friend, Dr. Kaushik Reddy said that we are what they eat. We are what they eat, and they means the microbiome. They means the bacteria in the colon. My next statement is do good to your microbiome and it does good to you. So again, do good to your microbiome and it does good to you. And next is fiber is on fire. Definitely fiber has become the nutrient of this decade and next many, many decades. Again, fiber is on fire. Next one is you are not what you eat, but what you and your microbiome eat. So again, you are not what you eat. That's we always say you are what you eat. But actually you are what you eat plus what your microbiome eats. Next one is live dirty, eat clean. Live dirty, eat clean. That means expose yourself to nature, walk bare feet on the ground, have pets, work with the different animals, go to farmers market and expose yourself and live dirty, but eat clean. Eat clean means whole food, plant-based, no processed food, no animal products. Next one is eat a pack of dirt before you die. You know, as a kid, when I was 2, 3 years old, I played outside in India in a dirty playgrounds, and I'm sure I had my share of eating my dirt. And that's the reason I probably have a very healthy microbiome. So we all need to expose ourselves in dirt when we are a young child. And we have proof, and I'll give it in my lecture, that most of our microbiome actually is established by age 3. And by age 3, obviously, we don't have the responsibility of taking care of our health. It's our parents. So I'll be talking in my lecture that it's parental responsibility to create the best microbiome for their kids because microbiome is set by age 3. Next one is see you in the dirt. More you get dirty, better microbiome you have. And the next one is from my another friend. It says, do you have a gut to be healthy? Do you have a gut to be healthy? Our gut, if you spread, actually it covers the whole basketball court. So our gut is very, very important, has a big surface area. I will cover all this thing in my talk. Next one is no guts, no glory. It's always said that the most disease starts actually in gut. Hippocrates said most disease starts in the gut. And gut is where the death is. So again, no guts, no glory. Next one is, which is kind of an intriguing concept, that did the bacteria make humans to survive for themselves? Did the bacteria make humans to survive for themselves? As if we are actually the robots, we are actually the creatures for bacteria to survive. And I'll prove it in my lecture that not only we benefit, but bacteria benefit from each other. And possibly bacteria actually are using us as much as we are using those good bacteria. Next one is microbiome, a forgotten organ. Microbiome definitely is a forgotten organ. You know, we need to know more about microbiome. We have about 3 to 6 pounds of bacteria in our body. So, you know, that's a large part of our body weight and that much bacteria in our body. Actually, there is also some theory that whatever gut microbes like to eat, actually they send signals to our brain to eat that food. So maybe our taste, our craving for certain type of food is controlled by our microbes. And this is all again obviously in theory, but hopefully one day more studies will be done. And next one, like I said, death begins in colon. That sentence was coined by a Nobel Prize winner. The next one is, this is my favorite, the bigger the bowel movement, longer you live. So if you have a big bowel movement every morning, longer you live. And the next one is, this is from Dr. Joe Kahn, that it should take longer to pee than poop. So your bowel movement should be so medium consistency and soft that your bowel movement should quickly happen, and it should be actually taking not much that long to pass your bowel movement. It should not be straining. You should not be having any solid, concrete, constipated bowel movements. Again, next one is one large bowel movement in the morning will make you live long. And next one is human as a supraorganism. We don't realize that we as human are not just one organism. We have thousands of different species in our body. Actually, we have about 1,000 to 1,600 type of different bacteria in our colon. So we are not just an organism, we are a supraorganism. Next one is eat Big Mac every day. Eat Big Mac every day. Eat Big Mac every day. Obviously, most people in America thinks Mac means going to McDonald's, but that's not the Mac. The Mac I'm referring is microbiota accessible carbohydrate. Microbiota accessible carbohydrate. Again, eat Big Mac every day. Eat Big Mac every day. My next sentence is diverse and adequate microbiome is a solution to healthcare crisis for both chronic disease and for the healthcare costs. So again, diverse and adequate microbiome is a solution to healthcare crisis for both chronic disease and for the healthcare costs. My next saying is only microbiome can save Medicare. Only microbiome can save Medicare. My next one is poop like a champ. Again, have a big bowel movement, poop like a champ. And my next one is some of my best friends are germs. Some of my best friends are germs. Some of my best friends are germs. Truly, we always are germophobic. Somehow since our childhood, even in medical school, we've been always told the bacteria are bad, but that's not true. There are a lot of good bacteria and we need them badly. We need those good bacteria badly. So some of our best friends are germs actually. My next one is, if you eat 70 grams of fiber every day, you will get to your ideal body weight very, very soon. Again, if you want to lose weight, eat tons of fiber. And my recommendation is if you eat 70 grams of fiber every day, you will get to your ideal body weight very, very soon. So again, these are some of the highlights of my 2 or maybe 3 hour lecture on fiber and microbiome. This is just some sample. Please stay tuned. It'll be there in 2-3 weeks. I hope you liked it. We are now growing rapidly. We have about 70,000 followers now. Please invite 25 friends from your Facebook group to like our page. Very easy to do. Just go to your like page and click on those 3 dots on the right upper corner and then invite at least 25 friends. Do it 3-4 times a week. Make our movement bigger. We all are together. We all are growing together. We educate each other. We motivate each other. We support each other. And we definitely, if we work together to be healthy, happy, and live long. We are also on YouTube, so please reach out to YouTube, Healthy Living with Dr. Aajay Shah. We have almost now 150 videos, all different topics. Watch them, take notes, ask questions, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel. We are also on Instagram. We are putting a lot of cooking recipes. We are putting a lot of healthy vegetable, whole food, plant-based pictures. We're also doing the live cooking demos. So please join our movement. Thank you.